Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment was declined in iPhone. If you are using the iPhone and you are getting this type of a message on your iPhone screen that your payment method was declined or your payment was declined, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So basically, it happens when you entered any incorrect billing address in your Apple ID. So let's see how can you fix that, or let's see some possible fixes. The very first is that you have to double check your network connection, that you have a strongest and stable network connection. Then go for settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here, go for software update, try to update your software. Or you have to also change your region from your iPhone. So select language and region option, select region, and select your own country or region in which you are living. Once you have selected, go back, open your App Store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, select your Apple ID from here, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then select the country or region option. And from here, you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So, or you can also try to select the country or region which you have just selected. Select that, then tap on continue option here, then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you just have to add your payment method. You can add your credit card, PayPal account, your mobile phone, or any other service which you find here. If you don't have, select the none option here, and then you have to add a correct billing address here. You have to add your street. You can skip these optional options if you want to. You have to add your postcode here. If you don't know about that, you can easily search that from Google, or here's the town, then country, then add your phone number and then your name. Once you have added done all of these, you just have to tap on done option in the top right corner, and after that your Apple ID will be up to date and your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, you just have to open your Apple Sport app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can try to use your Apple Sport web. Select your iPhone from here, select subscriptions and purchases, then select unable to purchase, and now scroll down, look for the get more help option. Tap on call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.